Hello students. So this is the continuation of fractions of 6th standard. I am your Shruti teacher. So you have studied about the types of fractions and how the fractions are formed in the numbers. Now equivalent fractions. So equivalent, the meaning itself is called as equals. Okay. Some fractions have equal fractions. Those are called as a equivalent. That means even though the fractions, if you simplify or multiply or divide, it gives the same simplification of a fraction. That is called as equivalent fraction. So that means how the equivalent fractions formed? By multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. Those are called as a equivalent fractions. So these are the examples I have chosen. One example I have taken how to find the equivalent fractions. So here equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. See, 2 by 3 is there. So here I have taken as a 2 by 3. So I am choosing a 2 here to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. See, why we have to multiply numerator and denominator both? Because if you are giving to the numerator something, means that you have to give for the denominator, then only it will be equal, or the meaning it equates. So that's why we are multiplying numerator and denominator both. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So if you are taken 2, you got equivalent fraction as a 4 by 6. If I choose multiplying both by 3, what it becomes? 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, you have to multiply. See, by this only you can understand if a multiplication comes, means numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, we have to multiply. That's all. So there is no confusion at all in the multiplication. Then if you taken 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So and so on. You can take many numbers, not only 2 4 3. Okay, 2 3 4 5, any numbers. So now what we can say? 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12 are the equivalent fractions. Because even though if you simplify again, because see, 4 and 2, 4 and 6 are common multiple of 2. That is 2s are plus 3s are. See, the same fraction came now. Here also you can choose 6, means if you simplify 6 by 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. See, 3 is a common factor for both. Then here also same, in the same way. That's why if you simplify the equivalent fraction, you'll get a same basic fraction. And also we can call as 2 by 3 equal 4 by 6 equal 6 by 9 equal 8 by 12. Why? Because these are equivalent. That's why we can equate these all. And 2 by 3 is the simplest form of above fraction. Okay, it is the simplest. Because why? Again we cannot simplify 2 by 3, because 2 and 3 have a common factor only 1, not other than 1. That's why. Then go for the like and unlike fractions. See here, like and unlike fraction means, like means some characters will be same, isn't it? If unlike means some characters are not same. So here, which is should be the condition as same? Here should be denominator. Why? Because total number of parts should be same in the part. Okay, in the whole. So here like fractions are nothing but the fractions which are having the same denominator. Whatever may be the numerator, but should be denominator same. Those are called as like fractions. If these are different, then those are unlike fractions, even though numerators are same. Okay, here are the examples: 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 8 by 15. Many numbers you can choose, but denominator should be same with a pair. Okay, here the fractions are different with the fractions with a different denominator are called unlike fractions. So here 2, 3, 4, 6, etc. are the different denominators. So we can these called as a unlike fractions here. So now we can go for the exercises. So we can continue with the exercise 7.3. See, I'll go for the direct question only. Write the fractions are write the fraction first. So fractions, see, in a one, two parts they made and one part they colored. In this, four parts they made and two parts they colored. Here they made how many parts? 6 parts, 3 parts they colored. Here 8 parts they made and 4 parts they colored. Now the next question, what it says, are all these fractions equivalent? See, equivalent means we have to simplify all, or by multiplying the simplest form you can check. So first what we can do is we have to simplify the other numbers. See, 1 by 2 we cannot simplify more, isn't it? So we can check by the other number as 2 ones are 2 twos are. See, it came as a 1 by 2 itself. Again, so again 3 ones are 3 twos are. See, 1 by 2 came. 4 ones are 4 twos are. See, all are 1 by 2, isn't it? All the simplification is done by 1 by 2 itself, means so these all are equivalent. Yes, these all are equivalent fractions. Then go for the next diagram B. Same. First write the fractions. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all 12 parts are there here. So 12 colored 4. Here 9 are there, 3 parts they colored. Here 6 are there, 2 parts they colored. Here 3 are there, 1 part is colored. Here how many are there? 15 are there, 6 parts they colored. So check once, are they equal or not? First we have to simplify. So 1 by 3 already it is simplified. 2 and 6 are common factor 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So it is also 1 by 3. Here 3 and 9 has a common factor 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay, it is also 1 by 3. 4 and 12 has a 4 common factor. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay. Then 6 and 15, it doesn't have any common factor. Do you agree? So even though these all are equivalent, but this is not equivalent to the 6 given fractions. So what we can conclude, these all are not equivalent. So now we can go for the second question. What it says, so write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions to each row. So first we have to write the fractions. So first see the diagram. It is 1 by 2 because 2 parts, 1 colored. It is 3 by 6 and it is 3 by 9 and it is 2 by 8 and it is 3 by 4. See, these we have to pair it with this diagram. So how it is, again it is colored. How many parts? Here 3 in a 3, 2 means 6. 6 threes are 18. 18 parts they made and in this 6 chosen. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. In 8, 4 colored and here 4 4s are 16. 16 in this 12 they colored and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12 is paired and in this 8 colored. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 color, 16 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts colored. Okay, now we have to simplify each fractions. So 1 by 3, 1 by 2 is already simplified. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 3 ones are 3 threes are. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 3 and 4 doesn't, it is always simplified. Again it is 6 ones are 6 threes are. Okay, and it is, we can check by here how it is. I have simplified. These all are here. These are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So this is how we have to simplify and match the diagrams here. So next, question number 3, replace the box in each of the following by the correct number. So we have to fill up the blanks. So equivalent fractions means we have to multiply a common number with the numerator and denominator, then only you will get a equivalent fractions. So here how we can fill up means, see the numbers or compare. 2 and 4 is there. So if this is the case, then 2 how much are 4, 8, 4 are means, isn't it? 2 4s are 8 means we have to multiply the 4 with the denominator. 7 4s are 28. So we have to simplify with the 28. Then again this also same. 5 2s are 10 means, then you have to multiply the 8 with the 2. 8 2s are 16. So it is 16. Then again these all are like that only. You can check the answers. So now here one more is there, by divisions. Not only multiplication, you will not get a equivalent fraction, by division also. See 45 by 60 is there, 45 by 60. So but 45 is, 15 is smaller number, but we cannot multiply. But by division also we can, reversely also we can collect. 15 how much are 45? By 3 means, by 3 means, so how much 3 are 20? 60. So 23 are, isn't it? Or by dividing like this, we can choose. So next, question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. So it is also like a equivalent fraction only. Denominator 20 means how we have to write. So 3 by 5 is there. We have a denominator as a 20. Then numerator is how much? 5 how much are 20? 4s are. So multiply by 4. So 3 4s are 12. This is how we have to do. In the same way, we can write 3 by 5, numerator 9 itself. Then find the denominator. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are means multiply by 3. So answer is 15. 9 by 15. In the same way you can do it. Next one, 5th question. Find the equivalent fractions of 36 by 48 with numerator 9. See, same it is also, but dividing we have to choose. Numerator means 9. See, division. 36 if you divide by 9, how much? Directly also you can divide. How much you will get? It is by 4, isn't it? So division of 4 or 9 4s are 36. Also you can find. Then divide by 4. How will get? 4 1s are 4 2s are. So 12 is the answer. This is how you can choose. Then here denominator 4. So 36 by 48, denominator 4. See, 4 how divided by 48 in another form. 48. 4 1s are 4. Remainder 0, 8 2s are. So 12. So it is a 12 is dividing means we have to divide by 12 also. Then 12 how much are 36 also you can find it. 12 3s are 36. Or directly 12 divided by 36 by divide by 12. 3s are 36. Also you can find. So in the same way, 6th one, check whether the given fraction are equivalent. So by simplifying, we can check the whether both pair are equivalent or not. So here 5 by 9 is already simplified. 30 by 54 we have to choose. In this 6 is a common factor. So 6 5s are 6 9s are, isn't it? So same comments, it is a equivalent fraction. Then again Here also you can choose 3 by 10, it is already simplified, but 12 by 50 is not having any common factor, but only 2 it has. So 2 6 are 2 25s are. See, 6 by 25 and 3 by 10 are different, so these are not equivalent fractions. Here we can write C. By this also we can do it by finding the equivalents. Then question number 7, reduce the following fractions to simplest form. Reducing means by cancellation we can do it. Okay, so by dividing directly also you can do. See here another method, factors, they are written in the form of factors. Again we can cancel in the denominator. Means 48 we can write as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 60 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. How we have done the factorization like this? How we can find 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. Again 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are, sorry, 2 6 are it is. Again 2 3s are 3 1s are. So these are only the 2 2 2 2 3. These are here we have written. Okay, in the same way we can write the factors here. Then we can cancel the numerator 1 to denominator 2. Numerator 1, denominator 1. 3 3. Again 2 2 5 remaining. 2 2s are 4, 5 remain. 4 by 5. This is how we have to simplify the fractions. Again 150 by 60. So now 150 by 60. So 150 also we can write the factors like this. See, 150 can write as a 15 into 10. Like this also we can write the factors. So 15 again 3 into 5 it is. Okay. 10 also 2 into 5. Like this also you can do. Okay. So these are the 3 5 2 5. So here directly 10 they are written. 60 also you can write as a 6 into 10. 6 tens are. 6 also we can write as 2 into 3. 10 we can write as a 2 into 5. This is how you can write also the fractions. So here numerator 3, denominator 3, numerator 10, denominator 10. What is remaining here? 5 is remaining, 2 is remaining. This is how you have to write the simplest form. Okay, here 7 we cannot simplify, that's why 1 only itself. So these are the answers, how to simplest form, how to do the simplification forms. Now go for the 8th question. See here, Ramesh had 20 pencil. So 20 pencil he had. Sheelu had 50 pencils. Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used 10 pencil, means 10 remaining. Sheelu used 25. Jamal used up 40 in 80. Okay. What fraction did each use up? Using means, so 10 uses out of 20. Here Shalu's 25 uses out of 50. And Jamal 40 out of 80. They are used. Check each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. So equal or not we have to check. When it becomes, when you simplify. So 0 0 get cancelled here. 1 by 2 it becomes. So 25 ones are, 25 twos are. It is also 1 by 2. 0 0 get cancelled. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So all are equal only. They have used the 50% of all. Here by the number also you can choose. Out of 20, 10 means half. 50%. Okay. Then here out of 50, 25 means it is also half. Out of 80, 40 means it is also half. Yes, all are equal in fractions. By sentence, how we can write like this. So fractions. So since all of them used the half of their pencil, therefore each one used up the equal fractions of pencils. Then next 9th one, match the following. Here also by simplification only you will get Match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more for each. So first we have to simplify, then we can do it. So here, how we can simplify? All 0 are there, better we can cancel for the simplification, isn't it? So 2 these 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. So again 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Where it is 5 8, here it is 18. So it is 2 9s are 2 10s are. So 9 by 10, where it is here 66 by 99. So where it is by 11, 11 6 are 11 9s are. But again it comes 2 3 3 2s are 3, sorry 3 2s are 3 3s are. 2 by 3, where it is here. Okay, then so first one is 5 by 8, second one is 9 by 12, 9 by 10. This one is here 180, 0 0 get cancelled. 18 1s are 18, 2s are 1 by 2, where it is here. Then automatically remaining is equal. So 2 more means multiplying by the other numbers by 2 3 for the simplification. Here they are written the fractions. So this is about the exercise 7.3. Then we can go for the 7.4 exercise. Write shaded portion as a fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. Okay. So first we have to write the fraction for each diagram. So this is a one question, this is one question. Don't get confused with all, because it is A, it is B. So here how many are there? It is 3 by 8. It is 6 parts, 6 by 8, and it is 4 by 8, and it is 1 by 8. See, so we have written the fraction and arrange them in a ascending order means, see, whenever you need to find the ascending or descending order, we make it as a like fractions. Like fraction means the denominator should be same. So are they denominator same for all? Yes. Then if denominators are same, then which is the smallest numerator? That will become first. Ascending and descending means first ascending or increasing order. So first we have to choose the smallest. What is the smallest numerator? 1. So 1 by 8 is first. Then next 3 by 8. Next 4 by 8. Next 6 by 8. So this is the ascending order with the less than, less than, less than. Descending means reverse. Okay, we can write the 6 by 8 first, then 4 by 8, then greater than 3 by 8, greater than 1 by 8. This is how you have to write. So here we have written the ascending and descending order. Next, same diagram with all square boxes. All parts are how many? 9 parts. 9 parts are the total, isn't it? See, when the denominator is same, then only we can write the ascending or descending order. When denominators are not same, we have to make it as a denominator same. Then only we can do it. That how? That I'll show afterwards. So what is the portion? 8. It is 4. It is 3. And this is 6. So ascending. See, ascending order. Which is that 3 by 9 first, which is a less than 4 by 9, which is a less than 6 by 9, which is less than 8 by 9. So descending here, reverse process. Then C question. Then C1, 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 6 by 6 on the number line. Show that. Put appropriate signs between the fractions. See, all are positive means greater than, small, lesser than, we have to choose. Put the appropriate signs between the fractions given below. So here already we can write which is 5 denominators are same, all are same, but here 0 is there, means we can write the 0 as a 0 by 6 also. It doesn't mean that 0. Okay, both are same. Then tell me which is less. There we have to write. So it is greater than will come here. It is also greater than, it is less than, and it is also less than. So this is over. But number line, how we have to show? So 6 denominator, total number of parts are 6. So total number of parts are 6. We have to make it as a 6 parts between the 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. So 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 6 by 6, 8 by 6. Then question number 2. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. See, first what I said, whether the numbers, numerator, denominator, which is same or not. If the denominators are same, check the numerators. If the denominators are same, check the numerators. Which is less, that will be the less. So here less means greater than will come. Sorry, 3 is less means less than will come. So here denominator are different. So at that time numerator are same. If this is a numerator are same, which is a small no, that will be the greater value. Once again I am telling, denominators are same means which is less numerator, that will be less. But if denominators are different, numerators are same, numerators are same, which is a less denominator, that will be the greater value. Then here denominators are same, numerator which is less, that will be the less, so less than. Here denominators are different but numerators are same, means which is a lesser denominator, that will be the greater value. So 3 by 5 is greater than. So I hope you understand this concept. Then make third one, make 5 more each pairs and put appropriate signs. So here appropriate sign we have to put first, then make it same means we can find the equivalent to the equivalent for this one and equivalent for this one, pairing. Okay, for each one we can do the pairing. So here 9 by 10, just now we did no directly answers it is no. Okay, so here 9 denominators are same, numerator greater, that's why it is 9 is greater than. Here denominator are different, numerators are same, which is less, that will be greater, reverse process. Then here denominator are different, numerators are same, it is 5 is greater here. Then here denominators are same, numerator which is less, that will be less, which is greater, that will be greater numerator. Here also same thing. Then go for the next fourth question. I am going a little bit hurry. Look at the figures and write less than or greater than between the pairs of fractions. See here what we can write figures, it is less than and it is less than, because the always it is going by the higher, smaller to higher, isn't it? So this is how we have to take it. Diagrams. If you are writing the here only itself means after that you can make it as the say sign what it is suitable. So directly if you want to check means directly we can check. How? By the calculation. If the denominator are different, numerators are same means which is the lesser denominator, that will be greater, like that. Then here all are different. What we can do is simplify this. 2 1s are 2 3s are Okay, all are different. So 3 by 4 and 1 by 3. So here 3 by 4 it is here and 1 by 3 is here. So if this is the case, then see it comes here. Then so 1 by 3 is less than 3 by 4, isn't it? So here less than. This is how we have to choose. Okay, here also 2 by 4, 2 by 3, 2 by 4. Here 2 by 3 and 2 by 4 is there. So here means it is a less than. Then 2 by 3 is greater in this. So here 2 by 3 is greater means it is greater than. This is how you have to write. Okay. So here 6 by 6, 3 by 3 all are same because it is 1. You can check by the figure. 6 by 6 is here. 3 by 3 is also here. Same means equal, we have to write it here like this. Then 5 more such problems you have to do it. Then question number 5. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign. How quickly means, just now I said, see, denominator same means numerator which is small, that is a small. If denominators are different, numerator are equal. When numerators are equal, denominator which is less, that will be the greater. By that you can find it. First we have to simplify. Then numerators are same means here 2 is a smaller number, that's why it is greater. So here 3 ones are 3 2s are here. Okay, here 2 ones are 2 2s are. So both are equal, equal it is. So 3 by 5, 2 by 3. See here 1 is different, 1 more is different. How we can do it? Out of 5, 3. 3 by 2 by 3. How we can find? So make it as the same denominator. How it is? How it is? So here 3 5s multiply both 15. So make it as 15 first. So it is 3 3s we have multiplied means 9, it becomes 3 3s are 9. Once again I'll show it. See 3 5 we have multiplied, make it as a 15. When it becomes 3s are, so 3. So numerator, this one I have made as a 9 by 15. 2 by 3 I'll make it as a 15 denominator. So 2 by 3, 15 denominator means 5s means 5s we have to multiply. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. Which is lesser? So this will be the lesser. So 3 by 5 is a lesser. Like that. This is how if the denominators are there. Okay. Then 3 by 4, 2 by 8. See the next one. 3 by 4, 2 by 8. See 2 ones are 2 4s are. See denominator same means, so less than we can write. Sorry, greater than we can write because 3 is greater than. Then here same denominators you can write it. Same denominator you can write. Here also you have to simplify. 2 ones are 2 4s are. So equal. So here 2 3s are 2 5s are. So same denominator. So it is a less than. Here also we can make it as 3 by 4, 7 by 8 by multiplying. I'll show it how it is. I1 again 4 and 8 LCM is 8 is 8 it is. In the 4 and 8 LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So I'll make it as a denominator 8. So by multiplying 2 into the numerator and denominator, it will make as a 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So 3 by 4 I can write as a 6 by 8 now. So now denominator becomes same, isn't it? So now which is less? 6 is less, so less than. This is how also we can do it. Then here also same kind, or else you can cancel. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So which is less than. So I showed, I think it is okay. Then here also 15 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. So both are equal here. This is how you have to check. Then go for the sixth question. The following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into three groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So first we have to do it as a simplest form. These all we have to bring it as a simplest form. Then which are equal, no, those are we can group it like this here. So here they made by the cancellation with a common factor. In this 2 by 12, 2 is common, 2 1s are, 2 6 are. Here 3 is common, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So 8 is 2 is common, 2 4s are, 2 25s are. Here also 2 is common, 8 is common, 8 4s are, 4 is common, 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are. So this is how they made as a common factor. By removal of common factor, they bring up with a simplest form. And here which are the 1 6 1 6 1 by 6 1 by 6 1 by 6 1 by 6. So these make as a one group. Again it is, so 1 by 5 1 by 5 1 by 5. So these we can make it as a another group. Again it is one more group, 4 by 25 4 by 25 4 by 25 4 by 20. These make it as a one group. This is how they made it. So first group, second group, third group. So seventh one, find answers to the following, write and indicate how you solved them. Okay, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 9? Is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? These all equal or not, we have to check. Means these are equivalent fractions or not. So when it becomes a equivalent fractions, first condition is to bring the simplest form. If it is not possible to bring the simplest form, we have to make it as a denominator same. Okay, how we can, at what condition we can bring it as a denominator same means, so by taking the denominators LCM. So that LCM only we have to get as a denominator. So this is how first question, 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. So 9 and 5 are different denominators, and 5 by 9 and 4 by 5 are already in the simplest form. We cannot bring it as a simplest form. So then we have to find the, so what will be the LCM of 9 and 5? 9 and 5 LCM is 45. So that 45 only we have to make it as a both denominator. So when it becomes, so 5 by 9, how much are 45? 5s are. So 5s are means both numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 9 5s are 45. So denominator we got as a 45 here. Here also 5 how much are 45? So 9s are. So numerator also we have to choose as a 9. So 4 9s are 36. So now both comes as a 45C. Now we can choose is equal or not. Whether 25 and 36 is equal? No, these are not equal. So we can write it as a less than big. Okay, we can write as a less than. So this is, we can write, therefore these are not equal. So same here, 9 by 16 and 5 by 9. So 9 by 16 we can simplify? No. And again we cannot simplify. But taking the LCM, 16 and 9, so it is 144. So we have to make it as a denominator as 144 both. When it becomes 16, how much are 144? 9s are. That means numerator also we have to multiply by 9. So 81 by 144. Then 9 how much are 144? 16s are. So 16 we have to multiply same. So we can, it is also not same, because it is 80, it is 81. All are different. Then C1, 4 by 5 and 16 by 20. So by simplify, we can simplify the 16 by 20 by 4. 4 4s are, 4 5s are. See, directly we can get, isn't it? So these are equal without finding the LCM of denominator. So again it is also 4 by 30. So 4 also we can find it. So 2s are 4 2s are 4 15s are. See here 2 by 15 comes. Are they same? No, we can first again we can check by the denominator. In 15 and 13 the LCM of 15 and 30 is yes 30. So make it as 30. Already 4 by 30 is there. We can not make it as a denominator 30. Only 1 by 15 as make it as a 30. So when 2s are, so 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. So now 4 by 30. So 2 by 30 and 4 by 30. Are they same? No, it is less than. So it is a wrong question, wrong answer. Make it as correct. So next, 8th question. Ayla read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. So out of 100, 25 she read. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Okay, 2 by 5 of a same book. 100 pages. Who read less? Okay, that we have to see. So Ayla read 25 pages out of 100 pages means it is 1/4. So 1/4 it is, if you simplified, 1/4 of the 100-page book. But 2/5 of the book she read means we have to compare 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. Both denominator are different. What we have to do? Make it as same. So LCM is 4 by 4 and 5 is 20. So 4 and 5 is 20 means, so 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. So make it as the same denominator. When 20 it should be the denominator we need. Okay, 24 how much are 20? 5 means, so multiply by 5. So 5 by 10 20. So again it is 5 how much are 20? 4 means. So by comparing this we can write it as a less than. So why? Because 1/4 equivalent fractions, lesser or a smaller we can choose by equivalent fraction. Then 9th one, Rafiq exercised for 3 by 9 of an hour. So for 1 hour it is, while Rohit exercised for the 3 by 4 of 1 hour. Both are comparing for an hour means, so 3 by 6 and 3 by 4 we have to compare it. Who exercised for longer time? We have to write. Then 3 by 6 and 4 by 3 by 4 we have to compare it. Directly we can compare. Why? Because numerators are same here. If numerators are same, which is a lesser denominator, that will be greater. So Rohit exercised more here. Okay. Then 10th question and last question. In a class of A of 24 students, 20 passed in a first class, and another class B 30 students, 24 passed in the first class. In which class was the greater fraction of students getting first class? That means we have to write the fraction for both. So out of 25, 20 they passed. In this B class, so out of 30, 24 they passed. So make it as a simplify first. So 20 and 25 has a 5 as a common factor. 5 4s are 5 5s are. So here 6 is a common factor in a 24 and 30. 6 4s are. So both having a common factor, common fraction 4 by 5 4 by 5. So hence each class have a same fraction of students getting first class. So this is all about equivalent fractions. So we can continue with the next exercise. Thank you.